Good day, learners. Today we will talk about fact or opinion. In this lesson, we will be answering the following questions. First, what is a fact? And then what is an opinion? And lastly, how do you tell the difference between a fact and an opinion? Let's begin. Now, when we say a fact, facts are statements that can be proven. A fact is an event known to have happened or something known to have existed. This is something that can be proven to be true. And then a fact, when we say a fact, it should have an evidence or proof. And a fact can be observed. Now, the following are examples of fact. Let's have an examples on what are facts, okay? First, we have statistically women live longer than men. And then another example, most buses weigh more than the most cars. Based on these examples, another one, there are 10 inches in a foot, which is kind of false. So based on these examples, you notice that it contains data and research, right? And it includes numbers, which can be proved through experiment or observation. And since these examples have data, we can say that this is a fact, may be true or false. And yeah, if it is false or maybe true or false, facts can be proven based on some research or evidence. And then what is an opinion? Previously, we have known that facts can be true or false and can be proven. However, in the opinion or opinions, these are statements that cannot be proven. An opinion is something that you believe to be true but might not be. This can be an attitude or judgment that cannot be proven true or false. There are two qualities of an opinion, and these are opinions can be argued. Since an opinion has a personal belief or a claim, it can be argued. And then opinions may be supported with facts. It cannot be proven, but may be supported with facts. Okay, let us have some examples for opinion. First, we have golf is boring. And then pizza is delicious. Math is the hardest subject. Now, based on these examples, we can say that these are opinions because it shows what a person thinks, feels, or believes on something. Okay? So that's the difference between an opinion to fact. But how can you tell a difference? I mean, how can you tell the difference between a fact and an opinion? So, what's the difference between a fact and an opinion? To spot the difference between a fact and an opinion, you can do the following ways. First is to ask questions to know if it is a fact or if it is an opinion. To know if it is a fact, ask the following questions. First, is the statement true? Can the statement be proved? Now, when your answer is yes to all of these questions, then that is a fact. Now, if it is an opinion, again, an opinion is what someone believes in. Now, if it is an opinion, you can ask the following questions. If the statement is a thought, is the statement a thought or a feeling? If your answer is yes, then that's an opinion. Can you prove it? If it's a no, then that's an opinion. Okay. Now, another thing that you can do to spot the difference between a fact or an opinion is to look for signal words. When we say signal words, these are the words or phrases that indicate relationship between ideas that will aid you when you are reading. Okay? Now, here are the signal words used in facts or opinions. You may pause this one for better understanding. For facts, we have the following. You may use on on plus specific date, in the year, according to, in the article, the author states that, and so on, in the text. As for the opinions or claims, we have I think, I believe, I feel, in my opinion, in my point of view. People should use the word should for the opinions or claims. Okay? So to end this lesson, let's have a short practice. Let's get to know fact or opinion. Decide whether the statement is a fact or opinion. First, we have this one. 1% of the world's water is drinkable. Is it a fact or an opinion? That's right. This sentence is a fact because we can prove it to be true, and it has data in the sentence. And basically, when there is a data, you can prove it whether it is true or false based on, maybe you can conduct a research for this one. So that's a fact. And then, on to the next one. What do you think it is? Is it a fact or an opinion? I think access to clean water should be a human right. Can you see the signal words? Okay, exactly. That's right. This is an opinion because basically this statement shows what you personally think about something. This is like a judgment that cannot be proven true or false. And one thing that is obvious in this sentence is the use of the signal word. We have the I think and the should. So because of these signal words, we can right away can tell that this is an opinion. So there you have it. That's all for our lesson. I hope you learned something from me today. This is your teacher, Teacher Joy. Thank you and see you again.